Welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today, carrots and, let me find it, white long radish. These are going to go in containers and out onto the ground. So we'll prepare a bed, we'll get them put in and we'll get going. Autumn King, clues in the title really. A really nice carrot, grows quite long, actually one of the longest carrots. It's a main crop. We always sow this in August. Don't be put off if it doesn't germinate, okay? We've got growers here, tried 3 or 4 times this year to sow and germinate this. It is a tricky one, but if you get it right, it will reward you. And let's take a look at this one. Wilkinson's long white radish. Okay, so Wilco's just a name of a shop. Long white radish. This will go in. I'll put it next to the carrots so we can see how they compare. Same sort of stuff really, harvest same sort of time. We'll give you, as you can see, nice long radish. Let's give it a go. Okay, so as you can see, we're raking the ground now. Just make sure it is nice, flat and even. We'll remove all the lumps and stones and prepare the bed ready for the carrot rills. As you can see, we're now making a rill, just an old piece of wood. It makes a divot around ½ inch deep into the soil. Perfectly straight. It's a really great line to sow the seeds into, and if you have a straight line of seeds, it makes it far easier to weed. So we sow the seeds thinly across the drill. As they grow and develop, you just want to thin these seeds out. So sowing more is better for germination, but as they grow, thin the seeds out. And now, give them a soak. Okay, so here's a question you may be asking yourself: how long do carrots take to grow? Well, that's around 3 or 4 months, so they are in the ground for quite a while. However, you can leave them in for another 4 weeks, so you can leave them up to 5 months in the ground from sowing the seeds. So nice long crop. You can pick them young. You can pick them at 2.5 months if they mature. So it's a good all-rounder really. Keeps you going and it keeps the supply nice and fresh for when you want it. Okay, so if you're worried about carrot fly on your carrots, the ones in the ground, very little you can do apart from net them. Apart from that, carrot fly only fly at a height of no more than 50 centimeters. So if you do have carrots in containers, just raise the height up and no more carrot fly. Easy. Guys, don't forget to like, share and please subscribe. I need all the help I can get. Let's grow this channel.